So here we are at Seller Central, and we're going to go to Inventory, Inventory Reports. Amazon lets you create some custom reports, so we're going to go to Inventory Report, and I'm going to choose Inactive Listing, but you choose Active Listing when you're doing yours, okay? And then we're going to go to Customize the columns for this report, and then we're going to make sure we have these items in our selected attributes. So Seller SKU, ASIN, item name, price, and quantity. Now we're going to have some other things underneath here possibly, so just highlight those and click remove. All you want to keep is these for this particular exercise. And then we're going to go back to inventory reports, and we're going to request a report. So let's pick our report. Again, I'm going to pick inactive and you pick active, and request report. It's going to tell you 45 minutes, but usually it's just a couple seconds. If you have thousands of things in your inventory, it could take longer, but this should only take just a couple seconds. Right now it's saying in progress down here, and I'm just hitting the refresh button. Now it's ready. So that took, about 3 seconds. Now we're going to download. It's going to come in the form of a text file. Down here on the left in Chrome, you come to here and click Edit and select all, Edit, and copy. Then we're going to take that to our Excel form. So we left off in our last video with this worksheet and with the QuickBooks open. So now we're going to move this worksheet over, and we're going to minimize QuickBooks. And you can see in the background my Seller Central is still open. Now we're going to open a new file in Excel, and we'll just scoot that over and pull it down. Now on our clipboard we have the text file we saved from copy and paste just a minute ago. So now we're going to paste it, and it's not the same size, that's okay. So now we have our columns of what we are going to be using to put into our first worksheet. The mapping in our next lesson.